What's happening, guys? I'm here with Jeff and we're sitting next to his beautiful hunting truck, which I think that it's a really badass truck. It's a 1994 and it's a Chevy. It's a K1500, or
yes,
do they
sir.
consider these Silverados?
Well, this is the Silverado K1500.
Silverado K1500. It's inspired by Ted Nugent.
Ted
right?
Nugent, yes.
With the kill it and grill it up there.
Yes, sir.
And obviously it's four-wheel drive. Now, what I really like about this one is whenever you see this thing rolling down the street, it looks like some guy just took a rattle can and maybe striped off some zebra paint stripes, and well, that's exactly what you did.
That's what we have.
Really badass, but what you don't see is all the other little things. So, for example, we were talking the other day and he's got the suspension tuned up right on that. And if you guys have ever ridden in one of these trucks, you know it's sloppy and you can, you know, bounce around and squeak and rattle. And, well, does this do any of that?
No, sir. I've replaced all the front end. The front end's all been replaced.
Okay.
It does have a 3-inch body lift, and when I did the 3-inch body lift, we refinished all of the frame, and that's when I come in and fabricated these gap guards.
Right.
Because of the 3-inch body lift, you know.
And normally you see that on,
yeah,
on anything with a body lift. If you've ever seen that on any of these other trucks, it kind of looks, well, it kind of looks shoddy, you know?
I agree.
Whereas you have made your fender guards there. You also have some in the back, which we looked at. Now, also, it's got, you mentioned something last night when we were talking about the brake line. So you took the body and the bed completely off of this truck.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we did.
Totally redid the frame.
Yep.
Coated it.
Coated it, yep.
Redid the brake lines.
Yep, redid every brake line on it.
So essentially underneath this truck then, for the most part, it's been redone or is brand new, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Transmission?
Transmission been rebuilt, upgraded.
Okay.
Did buy this truck for $600.
$600.
Yep.
You almost broke the bank with a $600 truck.
Yep.
Now, with everything that you've got into it, wheels, tires, all the lifting, the body lifts, the gutter guard, or the gap guards.
Yeah, and don't forget the $100 paint job.
$100 in paint, yeah, obviously. Bushwhackers.
Yeah, probably about $2,800.
$2,800 bucks.
Yes,
and now, and whenever we say this is a hunting rig, it's not that he goes out and drinks beers with his buddies once a month. You go out every weekend, just about.
All year long.
All year long.
Yes, sir.
And you guys live solely off of the meat that you collect. And
Kill it and grill it.
You do it by way of this truck.
Yes.
So how many
correct.
miles are on it?
This truck, ever since the rebuilt engine and transmission, I have about 15,000 miles on that. The body itself has 310,000 miles.
And before it was rattle canned with the zebra paint job. Was it missing colors? Was it mismatched colors?
Oh, no, it was stock. It was all stock.
So these are all the straight panels from the factory.
Yes, it is. The only thing that I did is the Silverado did have the chrome pieces.
Yep.
I did take the chrome pieces off and replace them with the rubber.
Yeah, and then as far as the bed liner, you just got a regular
Just regular
roll
old.
on.
Yep, right from AutoZone.
Yep, and then you just got the bully bars here.
Yeah, I had to modify them just a little bit because of the 3-inch lift, but worked
What
out
about
fine.
suspension?
Suspension stock.
Suspension stock.
Yes, sir.
With all how many thousands of miles?
310,000, 311,000. I
Okay.
did put new shocks on.
Okay, so you did put new shocks. Okay, so this sits at factory height then.
Yes.
And what size tires are these?
These are 33.
33 tire, which is really, I mean, that's, you know,
Yeah.
that's pretty much all you need weight-wise, and you could go a little bit bigger, but you got to make other.
Well,
other
right, yeah.
arrangements.
And then you'd have to do some other modifications. So.
Now, did you change out the gears, or are they
No,
factory
sir.
gears?
Factory gears.
And this was a Z71.
Yes, Z71 package.
So it's probably got a G80 locker in it.
Yep,
then.
sure does.
So for those of you wondering if it's locked, yes, it's locked.
Absolutely.
And these are phenomenal trucks. They'll run and run and run and run. Obviously.
Yeah. This paint job right here is 4 years old, with doesn't have any clear coat whatsoever.
And when you scratch it,
yeah,
you just
well,
run it back over with
I haven't even had to do that.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's awesome.
I mean, it's got, you know, a few scratches in it, but.
And the tires we talked about, these are not, you know, you don't see a lot of these tires running around. This is, I guess you would consider this to be a budget tire option, right?
Oh, absolutely.
When it comes to mud terrains.
Yep.
How many thousands of miles we have on those?
These here, they probably have about 20,000 miles on them.
And I mean, the threads in these
Yeah.
Good. And you can't see it right now. There's a lot of red clay in the southeast region all over the place, and the hunting area that you go to is no different.
No different whatsoever.
And it's clean right now. He did just come back from hunting, but it was raining the whole entire time. So
yep, got a free car wash.
Free car wash. But these things do great in the mud.
Oh, absolutely. Yep.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, you had to help somebody. Well, he kind of he
we
messed
got him
it
out.
himself,
We
but you got him out.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Well, man, this is a really cool truck. So what else? What's the favorite upgrade that you've done probably? Favorite homemade, you made the situation.
I believe the gap guards.
I think so.
I
too.
believe so. That was my invention. You know, that was mine.
Yeah.
I just come up
And
with
it just makes it look so much cleaner, man. Because I've seen body lifted trucks before, and they just look there's something missing.
Yeah.
I always call it a missing tooth, right? When something just looks off, it looks like there's a missing tooth. This does not have the missing tooth. No. And really a great job on this build. And it's a constant work in progress, but it never needs fixed. It's just being upgraded, right?
That is exactly correct.
That's awesome. Well, I appreciate you telling us about it, Jeff. And this is just proof, guys. You don't need to go spend $20, $30, $40, $50,000 on your rig. Just grab something, wrench on it in the yard. By the way, no lift.
No.
Just standard socket set, right?
Yep.
Some jacks and some jack stands.
Yes, sir.
All right here at the house. He's done all the work himself. You can too. All you got to do is look it up on YouTube, look it up online, and you can find people talking about how to do it. You can get instructions that you need, or you can just come up with ways yourself. Listen, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button, and for more videos like it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, peace.